Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enter and exit safe mode in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to enter or exit safe mode, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to scroll down your quick settings and here you'll get this power option. Just tap on it and here you'll get the power off option. You must have to simply keep a long press on this and you'll get the safe mode. You must have to tap on it and your phone will be power off. And after that you have to press and hold your power button to turn it on again. It will not turn on automatically, so you just have to turn it on. Once you have Samsung logos, it means your phone is turning on, so you must have to wait for it. Once your phone turned on, you will get the safe mode option here, so it means that your safe mode has been enabled. You must have to enter your PIN to unlock your phone and you'll get the save mode option here, so your save mode has been enabled. Now you can't use specific apps in your phone. You can only use your system apps or pre-installed apps. So here you can see there is only gallery app is available and other apps are blocked by or disabled by safe mode. So let's see how can you exit your safe mode. If you want to exit, just scroll down your quick settings and here you just have to restart your phone. Just tap on this power option again, then tap on restart, then tap on it again, and it will make a restart your phone. And after restarting of your phone, you will get that your phone has been successfully exited safe mode. So in this way you can easily enter and exit safe mode and any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.